The universe is a boundless fractal made fundamentally out of a boundless number of endless impacts known as insignificant gigantic bangs. Expecting you counsel the science course perusing circulated before 2006, you will see that Pluto was consolidated as one of the 9 planets in our sun-controlled structure. In any case, this is at this point not the case. Practically a long time back, the overall cosmic units rethought Pluto's status and banished yet again it as a planet. Now, the AIU is talking about this issue since NASA has given clear pictures of Pluto, now considered a minor planet. Oblige us on an excursion to the uttermost ranges of our sun-controlled structure to explore the primary pictures of Pluto in our arrangement of encounters. In the occasion that you're excited about keeping awake with the most recent news from the universe and its ecological components, become involved with our channel. Make certain to like this video, share it to contact more people, and turn on the notification ring. We've come a long way since the outstanding Apollo 11 mission. However, the boundlessness of room presents a seriously enormous number of unanswered requests. This is where NASA's crucial James Webb Space Telescope project attempts to track down a vast expanse of its own. This breathtaking endeavor expands on NASA's past missions, and there is remarkable interest in deciphering outstanding exposures from old times. We are legitimately curious to figure out more about the tremendous explosion and how our sun-based structure came to hold life on one of its planets. The James Webb Telescope, however, had sights set on the future of our sun-fueled structure, modifying our appreciation. In spite of the way that seeing weather is huge, we truly need to recollect for convincing answers about our universe and maybe reconsider them. The Pluto question has been the subject of discussion in the field of space examination in light of the James Webb Telescope and the revelations that it has given. We have an ever-expanding measure of information to examine our planetary gathering. Apparently, the $10 billion investment in NASA has prompted an update of stamped course readings to integrate all that we are familiar with Pluto. This time is likely going to recuperate illustrative status. Here's the explanation. Our understanding about Pluto doesn't end with the questionable AIU decision in 2006. In all honesty, it is the new and restored capacities of the James Webb that have given the pictorial confirmation needed to build up our speculative perception of this putative planet. Despite the reality that past makes that it acknowledged perceptions had effectively arranged which articles are considered planets and which are not, the affiliation had areas of strength for insignificant on which to depend. The photos and rules used for this course of action could have been problematic. After the decision in 2006, 2 remarkable consistent circumstances on the issue emerged. Some accepted that the AIU was rushed in articulating Pluto a little individual planet, while others promptly embraced the new non-plan status. Most space pioneers have remained uncertain regarding this situation. At any rate, in light of the captivating divulgences of the James Webb, the subject of Pluto's status days, the first sharp image of Pluto provided by NASA is redefining the way that we may decipher huge history. The first and fundamental human involvement with Pluto was directed by the New Skyline mission, which has been in the works for a considerable time. In July 2015, the job well done its goal by passing close to Pluto and its many moons. This was at whatever point individuals initially had the choice to get a close-by look at the space curio and assembled the most exhaustive dataset to date about its moons and surface. The New Skyline mission opened up an outstanding chance for NASA in its examination of the Kuiper Belt, a significant area of room. The association had some awareness of the need to obtain a deductively solid appreciation of the planets that lie between Neptune's circle and approximately 50 cosmic units from the Sun. The essential achievement of the mission was the detailed examination of Pluto, as of now thought to be a diminutive planet, and its greatest satellite Charon. Anyway, it too figured out how to get clear photos of the 4 distinct satellites known as NYX, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx throughout a period of 15 months. The mission gathered data including the experience with Pluto and Charon, amounting to 6.25 gigabytes. What does this data mean for NASA comparing to the Pee-wee planet? First, the revelations were so earth-breaking that scientists expected to cultivate new data models to better handle Pluto's surface and the air conditions. It was seen that as the little planet was going through colossal changes in its surface and air, clearly Pluto was a long way from being a slow body. Anyway, it was creating at a rate that stunned NASA and tried what was recently acknowledged about this putative planet. The New Skyline's central goal was significant, and its involvement in Pluto happened very nearly quite a while ago. From there on out, the field of space examination has seen close-to-home redesigns through mechanical intercession with the give a shot of the James Webb Space Telescope. The potential results are becoming endless. One could attempt and say that we are getting progressively near an all-out understanding of our planetary gathering. It is something you hear only once in a blue moon, yet with the JWST, we are connecting the opening between what we know and what we could really know of. At any rate, this is an issue with missions like New Skylines and any decisions to examine planets farther from the Sun. The issue lies in the prioritization of resources, as investigating millions to investigate a logically critical planet could raise issues about the existence of possible living things elsewhere. Why head to the edges of the close-by planet bunch? These are provoking inquiries, no doubt. However, the New Skyline's central goal denoted a pivotal turning point all through the whole presence of room examination. Not simply did it open new streets for NASA to place assets into the examination of Pluto, yet it likewise pinnacle our advantage in additional examination past the realized limits with respect to Pluto. Its survey is vital to building a greater logical perception of other little planets. Regardless of the way that it lies in a cool, dull region of the universe, the principal photos of its surface exhibited adequately significant to reveal that Pluto is a functioning object in our planetary gathering. As usually said, an image is worth 1,000 words, and these totally clear pictures from NASA give us important data. First, Pluto was found to show some attention. Most land idiosyncrasies on this humble individual planet are driven from its middle, experimentally known as Sputnik. Amazingly, it just so happens Pluto, in a genuine sense, relies upon its intuition. A brief glance at NASA's high-resolution pictures revealed that this heart is white infection and nearly frozen, as the passed-on vent to Sputnik's heart looks like a huge nitrogen icy mass spreading over incredible many square km. Another prominent geologic part of Pluto's surface is that the entry of its turn has gone through a critical reorientation, what scientists call a precision process. This was obscure to NASA before the mission. The planet's bowl is in the backward position than guessed. This reorientation has huge implications for getting a handle on the components and improvement of Pluto as a PL planet. In direct terms, the flowing pivot between the moon Charon and Pluto is being affected by Sputnik Plania, the planet's center. This effect has reoriented Pluto so that its bowl is even more firmly agreed with the flowing pivot, something not previously realized. We have consistently known that this old planet is shocking for clear reasons. Anyway, what was not known is that Pluto's frigid surface in like manner makes an inclination because of the lopsidedness in its mass. The center of the core of the D planet is a 4 kilometers thick layer of ice, which is experimentally adding to that Goliath mass when joined with tides. This cycle can cause the reorientation of the planet's turn pivot, searching for congruity on its own circle. However, the ice sheet alone isn't adequate to deliver a steep reorientation point or to convey huge heaves. As we referred to previously, mechanically upheld examinations can change our huge history, and this is essentially such a second. Research bowmen have additionally viewed that Pluto is a world with a region of its own under its thick ice sheets and ice-covered surface. Pluto's inside contains a broad ocean that moreover influences the reorientation of its revolution hub. This discovery is exceptional because of various elements, however, above all since it completely changes how we may decipher the planet. The logical presence of a sea in Pluto's covering suggests that we will have more data about its origin and how it formed. What do you think? Let us know in the remarks box. Assuming you like the video, make a point to rock the boat around the town button, share it so it contacts more people, and buy in so you don't miss more cheerful like this one. Numerous gratitude for watching the video, and I'll see you in the accompanying one. Exploring the depths of the cosmos, humanity has always been driven by an insatiable curiosity to uncover the mysteries of the universe. From ancient civilizations gazing at the stars in wonder to modern space missions venturing into the unknown, our quest for knowledge knows no bounds. With each new discovery, we peel back the layers of the cosmos, revealing its intricate tapestry of galaxies, stars, and planets. At the heart of this exploration lies the desire to understand our place in the vast expanse of space. What forces shaped the universe? How did life emerge on our planet? And are we alone in the cosmos? These questions have fueled generations of scientists, philosophers, and dreamers, driving humanity forward on a journey of discovery. In recent years, advancements in technology have propelled us further than ever before. Space telescopes peer deep into distant galaxies, while robotic explorers roam the surface of alien worlds. Meanwhile, ambitious plans are underway to send humans to Mars and beyond, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Yet, for all our progress, the universe remains a realm of endless fascination and mystery. Dark matter and dark energy continue to elude our grasp, while the search for extraterrestrial life tantalizes our imagination. With each passing day, we edge closer to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos, but the journey is far from over. As we gaze up at the night sky, we are reminded of the boundless possibilities that await us among the stars. Whether charting the course of distant galaxies or exploring the depths of our own solar system, the adventure of discovery continues to inspire us all.